Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 2. Its title is The Farmer and His Sons. Today is lecture 3 under the title of grammar. We'll learn singular, plural, and we'll cover page number 19 of your book. Previously, in your English for grade 2, I have taught you about singular plurals. I hope you remember the rules to change these singular plurals. If not, you may watch this video again. Today, we will learn further and we'll cover the SLO to recall changing number of simple naming words by adding and removing S and ES, identify and change the number of nouns by adding IES and ES after the words ending in Y, O, etc. Use the alphabetic order first and second to arrange words. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Kafirun, verse 1 till 3, say, O disbelievers, I do not worship that which you worship, nor are you worshippers of that which I worship. Yes, my dear children, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is asking to our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, say, to whom? To disbelievers. So here I want to make a connection. Our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is one, and he is talking to masses. He is talking to many people, all the disbelievers. And what is he is doing? He is refusing their worship. They are saying, I do not worship that which you worship, and you are not worshippers. Again, you are not worshippers. It's a plural noun. You are not worshippers of that what I worship. So it's a huge message that we should not follow majority. What we say, like mostly people are doing. No, beta, we should always follow what our Allah is telling us, what our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us. No matter people in masses are doing, if they are doing wrong, should we? No, this is what this verse is telling us. And you say, here what connection I want to say, one person who is a true believer is enough for many disbelievers. So it is a combination of singular. One person can do huge things alone. This is how Allah has created us, and the only thing which can make it possible is our belief, right? So let's start our today's topic, that is singular plural. I taught you noun refers to person, place, and thing. Remember, noun is the name of person, place, and thing. If it's one, it's singular. If it is more than one, it's plural. If it is one place, it's singular. If it is more than one, it's plural. If it is one thing, it's singular. If it is more than one, it's plural. And how do we change it? It's a book, a singular noun. And if we have more than one, we write plural noun, and for that initially we learned we just add S to make a singular noun to a plural noun. This was the first rule we learned to convert a singular into plural. Remember? After that we learned in grade 2, if the word, look at the last letter of the noun, we add ES if the noun ends at. Remember, I taught you, if a noun ends on S, for example, bus, how do we make its plural? We add ES. If it ends on O, like potato, it's a single O. So how do we change its to make it plural? We add ES. Likewise, for Z, for example, to pass, we add ES. SH, brush, CH, watch, X, box, double S, class. So we look at the word, at the noun. If it ends on any of these letters, how do we make its plural? By adding ES. Do you remember? If not, it's okay. I'm going to do it again for you. For example, bus. It's a singular, it's ending on S. So how do we make its plural? If it is more than one, it's plural. And how do we do it? We write bus as it is and we add es at the end of this noun. It is plural noun which is referring more than one buses, right? Likewise, it's potato. Now look at the last letter, it's O. If it is one, it's potato. If it is more than one, plural, how do we do it? We write potatoes, we add es at the end of the noun. Brush, again, sh, it's singular. If it is plural, more than one, we write brushes, we add es. Watch, it ends on ch. If it is more than one, we write watches and we add es. Box, ending on x, one of the letter, we need to make its plural by adding es. Right? This is what we have learned in grade 2. So I'm just recalling it so that you can make a connection. Now I'm going to teach you a new rule. What is that? When the word has a vowel, and what is vowel? A, E, I, O, U before the letter Y. Now a noun is ending on letter Y. There can be two situations. Number one, before Y there is A, E, I, O, U. If there is a vowel letter before Y, you will simply add S to make its plural. For example, key. Now you see here it's Y and before Y this letter E is one of the vowels. So to make its plural you will simply add S and it will be plural keys. You got it? This is situation 1. Now the noun is ending on Y. In situation 1, before Y there is a vowel A, E, I, O, U. You will simply add S. In situation 2, if there is a consonant, like the word is ending on Y, but before Y it's not vowel, it's a consonant, any one of these letters. So what you will do? You will remove Y and replace it with IES. For example, sky, skies. You will remove this Y and add IES. These two rules we are going to practice. So first one is very simple. You will see Y is there and before Y there is A, E, I, O, U. You will not remove Y, you will simply add S to make its plural. But in case 2, before Y there is a consonant. To how to make its plural. This is what we are going to focus today. So this is, I taught you. We will remove this Y and we will replace it with IES. How do we do it? I'm explaining it with more examples here. It's bunny. Bunny is a singular. It is referring to one bunny. All right. Now, if it's more than one, we need to write its plural. How to make its plural? Before, it's not like you just remove Y and I add I. No. First, what is the first rule? You will see what is before Y. It's Y. It's what is before it? It's N. And N is it one of the vowel? Is it one of A, E, I, O, U? No. It means rule 2 will apply. We will not add S. What we will do? We will remove this Y and we will add IES. Bunny, bunnies. Bunny refers to one bunny and bunnies refer to more than one. It's plural. Bunny and bunnies. You got it? This Y we remove and we added IES. We replaced Y with IES. It is referring to plural noun, that is bunnies. Got it? Okay, let's explain it with another example. Baby. Again, the noun is ending on Y. So there can be two possibilities. Possibility 1, if before Y there is any vowel sound. Now we want to make it plural. We have more than one babies here. What we'll do? Before Y we'll see, is there any vowel? A, E, I, O, U? This B does not belong to this group. That's why the rule 2 will apply. And what is that? We will remove this Y and we'll replace it with IES. Baby, babies. It is the plural noun of baby. You got it? Okay, let's see. Next example. Lady. Lady is referring to one lady, one woman. Again, it's ending on Y. Now, to make it plural, if there are more than one ladies, right before Y, we'll see this letter. Does it belong to all group? No. So what we have to do? Now you know. We have to remove this Y and replace it with IES. You got it? Now we have learned 3 rules of making plurals by adding S, by adding ES, and this is by adding IES. So this is the total so far we have learned. Let's see what does your book says about it. Open your book on page number 19. It's mentioned here, change given singular nouns into plural. Change the given singular nouns into plural in your notebook. So now it's a mixed blend. Whatever rules we have learned so far, all the nouns are mixed. You have to be very careful either by adding S or ES or by removing Y and adding IES. You will make the plural nouns of these singular nouns. Now pause the video and practice this in your notebook. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? You could identify easily? Good job. Here I want to make an announcement for my fellow teachers along with this video lecture. In description box, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, you may download it, you may follow as it is, or you may modify it for your convenience. And my dear children, it's time to learn another concept. In your previous class, English for grade 2, I hope you remember I taught you arranging the words in second, according to second letter, alphabetical order. So do you remember what is alphabetical order? Yes, the way we arrange the words as they come in ABC, that is alphabetical order. So here, on page number 19, a group of words is given to you. You have to arrange the following word alphabetically according to second letter of the word. Okay? So first 2 have been done for you. What you are supposed to, we don't have any other choice. You see, the first letter of all the words is same. It's B. So make an alphabetical arrangement. What we have to do? We have to look at the second letter. And according to the alphabetical order, we have to arrange it like with second letter, first A comes. So the first letter, first word will be the word which will be having A after B. Then whatever comes afterwards, we'll write it. After A, B, C, D are not there, E is there, so BUR is there. So whatever comes next in ABC, you have to find it and then write all these words in alphabetical order as we have learnt in grade 2. So pause the video and write all the words in the given space. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Okay, then match it with me. After bear, have you written bill? Because I comes after E. So next, E means next order is E, I. Next, black, boil, brother, and butter. Have you written in the same order? That's good. So you got the idea. Now it's time for your homework. In your notebook, you have to write the plural of the following nouns. I have given you again a mix blend of different nouns. You have to be careful while writing their plurals in your notebook. And I'm giving you a worksheet. Again, my fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint links are given. You may click it, you may download it, you may print it, and kindly give a printed worksheet to my children for practice. And students, what you are supposed to do? You have to write the plural nouns in the given space. Noun is here, you will write its plural over here. One I have done for you because this rule we have not learned so far, so I have done it for you so that you can make a note when we'll do it, you will easily learn it. So do this worksheet and color it as well. So what we have done so far, we recalled changing number of nouns by adding and removing S and ES. We learned to change the number of a noun ending on consonant that is followed by Y by replacing Y with IES. And we also learned to arrange the words in first and second alphabetical order. So we achieved our today's SLO, that was to recall changing number of simple living word by adding and removing S and ES, identify and change the number of nouns by adding IES and ES after the words ending in Y, O, etc. And we use the alphabetical order first and second to arrange the words. Are we done with it? Yes, good job. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till the time, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.